What'd you get? Tell me what you got.
What'd you get? Show Mom this. Show Mom your book. You got a book. And some tools.
You got some tools?
What's in there?
Oh,
You gotta open his card. He's gonna like how it's got. It feels.
Here.
It's got stuff
There
on
you
the
go.
front.
What's this? Hey, what is this? What is that? You're
Ooh.
one.
Look at that.
Check. Feel it. Woo! Feel
It's
it.
got fuzzies on it.
Feel it. What is that?
What are those?
Uh,
No.
Says
I
you're
just love
one.
Coda. I'll take Coda for my
Fun,
birthday.
You're turning one and you're loved a bunch, you know. Neat games to play, new words to say. Hey, grandson.
Good girl.
Way to
Good
grow.
Come on.
Thanks, Sarah, for that rendition. That'll go on
Jack,
YouTube.
happy first birthday. We are so excited that
Oh.
yeah, we get to share your birthday today.
You got it.
All right. Thank you.
Here you go. Yeah.
Here, puppy, you want it?
Give it to Coda.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Don't eat his block.